calling the Trump administration's attempt to drastically reduce the federal workforce a sham. A federal court has ordered 6 federal agencies to immediately reinstate probationary employees who were fired last month. U.S. District Judge William Alsup granted a preliminary injunction Thursday, requiring the rehiring of the personnel by the Departments of Veterans Affairs, Agriculture, Defense, Energy, Interior, and Treasury Departments. The judge hinted that he would eventually expand the injunction to include other federal entities. Alsup, an appointee of former President Bill Clinton, dismissed the Justice Department's claims that OPM only provided guidance to the agencies, which resulted in the terminations. He said in support, "The court finds that Office of Personnel Management did direct all agencies to terminate probationary staff with the exception of mission-critical employees. This is the order, and it counts," the court declared, stating that the decree takes effect immediately. On Thursday, the Justice Department announced that it would file an appeal with the 9th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals. OPM's involvement in the firings, which impacted thousands of workers and sent shockwaves across numerous government agencies, some of which ultimately rehired some of the individuals, was challenged by labor unions and others in the case that resulted in the verdict. According to the judge, OPM's attempt to base this on performance was, at the very least, a ploy to get around the Reductions in Force Act. Because firing someone for performance is always permitted by law, the judge continued. Alsup also said that shouldn't have happened in our nation. It was a hoax to try to get around legal obligations. The ruling was deemed absurd and unconstitutional by the White House. As per White House Principal Deputy Press Secretary Harrison Fields' comments on X, a single judge is trying to unlawfully take over the executive branch's hiring and firing authority. The president has the authority to exercise the power of the entire executive branch. Single district court judges cannot abuse the power of entire judiciary to thwart president's agenda, as quoted in a statement from Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt. Judges of federal district courts can try to run for president themselves if they want executive powers, Leavitt stated. Alsup said to DOJ lawyer Kelsey Helland, "You know that cross-examination will expose the truth, so you're scared to do so. I don't always trust you to tell me the truth."